Hi, I'm actually doing this video because someone sent me a message. Yeah, she requested for me to make a video on how I got my annulment done just for 4 months. So that's the reason why I don't have actually time this past few weeks. So that's why it took me like a week or so before I make this video. So, yeah, actually, wala naman talagang process. It's just you have to pay for it. So, after you pay, you just have to wait 4 months. And yeah, actually, you just, have to present or give them your marriage contract together with your valid IDs with signature on it. So, yeah, after that, if there's no hit, especially kung walang problema dun sa name nyo, because it will reflect as well. Kailangan same talaga yung name. There's no error or maybe problem about your your own birth certificate like that. So since there's no hit naman sa akin, so it only took me like 4 months. So I got it now na. First, hindi ko naman masasabing hindi siya legit. Of course, 'di ba? I feel it too, like first time na mag-file ako nito, since it's under Sharia divorce actually. So, first time na nag-ano ko nito is, inisip ko baka mag-waste lang ako ng money, like that. But, the reason behind it, why I was being forced to try, it's because, nag-file na ako ng annulment before, year 2020. So, nag-file ako, took me forever. So, ni-stress talaga ako doon ng bongga, day. Kasi, tagal kong hinintay. Tapos, year 2025, yeah, just this year, I got the decision and it was denied. So, it's a heart, breaking talaga. I came to the point na parang, sabi ko, ayoko na, yung ganun-ganyan. Pero hindi pa rin ako sumuko, syempre. Nagawa pa rin ako ng Sabi ko, this is my last options na. So, kasi nagre-research na rin ako dito eh. Wala pa talaga yung result nung first annulment ko. Nagre-research na ako. Ang dami ko nang pinagtatanungan. So, I'm also like you guys na nagsisend ng messages like, paano po nyo ginawa yan? Paano kayo nagkaroon ng ganito, ganyan? Tapos, sabi ko, legit ba siya? Mag-change ko ba lahat ng names ko? Hindi ko naman din talaga change yung mga IDs ko or some of my documents. Pero meron kasi talagang, yung status mo is still married. So, of course, gusto ko talaga maging single yung even the status, not just